So we're looking around here. We're missing the relief pipe here, so we're going to call that out. You know, all the copper up here looks good. Everything looks relatively new. Since we ran the heat everywhere, we know that it's not leaking. You know, we're looking at the vents, making sure everything is vented correctly. You know, everything there is pretty solid. Just looking around real quick, I see a couple of wires over there. I'm going to mention that because two of the wires look like they're pretty scorched. I don't know when that happened or what happened, but I'm going to let them know that maybe they want to have it looked at. It looks like it's cloth wiring, which is also something that was not in the panel. So now I know that the panel was updated recently and that some of the wiring in the house would be cloth. So I'm going to add that they might have some older wiring in the house. We're looking at, you know, making sure there's enough fresh air in here, which they do have an intake. And again, it's tight, so I'm going to take multiple pictures so I could show them what I did and what was, you know, in my way. And that's that. All right, we'll go back up a little bit. Let me turn around, we'll do this.